Thank you for choosing Ford Lincoln of Ocala. When we're rolling out the red carpet for you, our friendly staff is here to ensure you receive a world-class customer service experience. Whether you're searching for your dream vehicle or maintaining the one you already own, our transparent pricing and commission-free sales team have taken the hassle and the haggle out of car buying. What you see is what you get. It's just that simple. Our factory-trained technicians are here to make sure every vehicle that comes through our doors gets the very best. That means OEM parts, full service maintenance, and expert heavy repair, all backed by Ford parts and labor warranties. To top it off, you'll be treated to our courtesy car wash before getting back on the road. But while you wait, you'll be able to sit back, relax, and take advantage of our complimentary snacks, TV, and Wi-Fi. Can't get in to see us? No problem. We make good old-fashioned house calls. Just give us a quick phone call or go online to make an appointment, and our mobile unit will take care of you and your vehicle wherever you are. Did we mention we can pick you up and drop you off? When you choose Ford Lincoln of Ocala, we guarantee you'll get the best service for the best price or your money back. It's red carpet all the way, every time. Call 352-732-4800 or visit us online at fordofocala.com.